Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. In the realm of automotive engineering excellence, Ferrari stands tall, revered for its relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. The sf90 stradale, a testament to Ferrari's commitment to pushing boundaries, represents the pinnacle of hybrid supercar technology, design and aerodynamics. The sf90 stradale's design seamlessly blends form with function, embodying Ferrari's signature aesthetic while maximizing aerodynamic efficiency. From its aggressive front splitter to its sculpted rear diffuser, every curve and contour serves a purpose, enhancing stability at high speeds and optimizing airflow for maximum downforce. Hybrid powertrain. At the heart of the sf90 stradale lies a hybrid powertrain that marries a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors, delivering a staggering combined output of over 1,000 horsepower. This electrified setup not only propels the sf90 stradale from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds but also offers an all-electric mode for silent, emissions-free cruising. Performance dynamics. With Ferrari's renowned expertise in handling dynamics, the sf90 stradale delivers an exhilarating driving experience that defies expectations. Its advanced all-wheel drive system, coupled with torque vectoring technology, ensures unparalleled traction and agility through every corner, while adaptive suspension components provide a supple ride without compromising on razor-sharp responsiveness. Technological innovation. Beyond its impressive performance figures, the sf90 stradale is a showcase of cutting-edge technology. A state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps drivers connected, while advanced driver assistance features ensure safety and confidence behind the wheel. Furthermore, the sf90 stradale's plug-in hybrid architecture offers the convenience of electric-only driving for short distances, making it as practical as it is exhilarating. Exclusivity and craftsmanship. As with all Ferrari models, the sf90 stradale exemplifies unparalleled craftsmanship and exclusivity. Each car is meticulously hand-assembled at Ferrari's Brunello factory, where skilled artisans bring together the finest materials and precision engineering to create automotive masterpieces that transcend mere transportation. In conclusion, the Ferrari sf90 stradale represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending breathtaking performance with state-of-the-art technology and uncompromising luxury. It is not just a car, it is a symbol of Ferrari's unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible on four wheels.